Good evening, everyone. From New York, I'm Ayman Mohyeldin in for Chris Hayes. It has been 1 week since Donald Trump was indicted for the second time, this time over his mishandling of stolen classified documents. The ex-president's legal woes are far, far from over. And unfortunately for Trump, his calendar as a legal defendant is going to run right up against his calendar as a presidential candidate. And the first major hurdle is going to come perhaps in just a few weeks from now. While nothing is set in stone, there has been a great deal of informed speculation that Fulton County, Georgia District Attorney Fani Willis could indict Trump for illegal election interference this August. Now, if she does, that would coincide with the first televised Republican primary debate, which is tentatively scheduled for August 23rd in Milwaukee, which means it is plausible, if not likely, that Trump's first debate as a 2024 candidate will unfold under the shadow of his third criminal indictment this year. Additionally, the Republican National Committee has already announced a second debate in California. And while no date has been set for that event, at least for now, based on previous debate schedules, it will likely land somewhere in the fall. Right around the time that New York Attorney General Letitia James and her civil fraud suit against the Trump Organization is currently set to go to trial, which is in October. And the calendar does not actually get any easier for Donald Trump from then out. The RNC still has not picked a date for the first in the nation Iowa caucus, but it is expected to take place sometime in early January. Again, just in time for Trump to start his second civil defamation trial with writer E. Jean Carroll, who you may remember just last month, the ex-president was found liable for sexually abusing and defaming her. Well, one day after that verdict came out, Trump went on TV and he disparaged Carroll again. And those comments will be included in a second defamation suit early next year. And so that is something that is certain to be front of mind for Iowa voters when that trial begins right at the start of primary season. Fast forward. Then in March, amid a flurry of state primaries, including the all-important Super Tuesday, Trump is expected to go to trial for his first set of indictments over those illegal hush money payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels. On top of all of that, there are still a number of unknown factors complicating things for Donald Trump. We do not know, for example, when Florida Judge Aileen Cannon will set the start of Trump's second criminal trial in the documents case. And even if she does punt that case until, I don't know, after the election, like some have speculated she might, it is still entirely possible that special counsel Jack Smith indicts Donald Trump again for the documents, but this time, not for the documents, but this time in New Jersey or in Washington, D.C. Additionally, Jack Smith may still indict Trump on unrelated charges stemming from the January 6th insurrection, which makes it all the more ridiculous that the RNC is demanding that the candidates pledge their loyalty to whomever wins the primary, even if that candidate is currently on trial. Imagine a loyalty pledge is worth remembering Donald Trump himself reneged on back in 2016.
More than 6 months ago, you pledged to support the Republican nominee, whoever that may be. Do you continue to pledge whoever the Republican nominee is?
No, I don't anymore. Look,
you don't?
No, we'll see who it is.
So the pledge you took is null and void. The idea of supporting whoever the Republican nominee is, you say you will no longer guarantee that you will support the Republican nominee.
All right, but this time Trump does not just want his opponents to pledge that they will support him. He wants them to pledge that they will pardon him. As Rolling Stone reports, Trump's inner circle has been sending a simple message to other 2024 candidates. Promise you will pardon Trump if you are elected or else.